Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. It's been a while since I've been painting and I'm eager to get busy. Today I'm just going to do, I think, kind of a white negative space background. Do a dirty pour, like a ribbon pour maybe, and balloon it a little bit. Just something simple. So I'm going to put me down a coat of white. This is a Wilton icing fondant spreader. It's on my Amazon link below the video. These are great for spreading out pretty smoothly whatever colors you have that you're working with. It doesn't have to be white, it can be any color, but it's just great for spreading pretty simply and quickly. And always it's going to pretty much kind of self-level anyway. You can heat it, to get rid of bubbles, but really you don't have to have the heat source for any other reason. So I've got one little area that's missing some paint. You can plop it down with your fingers. I sometimes just put it on my edge of my finger and go around the edges of the canvas because my white is Artist Loft white, Flow acrylic, and it's usually, a little brighter than the primer is that comes on the ready-made canvases. So I like to make sure my white goes over the edges. So I'm going to do a little dirty pour in a 3-ounce bathroom cup. My paint is mixed 1-to-1 ratio, paint to Floetrol, latex based, 1-to-1. And then if it needs water, I add it then. That's the only variable that ever really comes up, is whether I add water or not. Because if you use bottle craft paint like Deco Art, you really don't have to add water. But if you use tube paint, like a Liquitex Basics or something like that, you're going to need to add water because it's much thicker and more dense. So I've got an array of colors I had here from a class. So I think I'm going to use a little bit of purple. I've got some beautiful Rich Espresso. I've got a magenta rose color that's really pretty. I've got an emerald green that's pretty. I've got some beautiful metallic gold, deep turquoise, some gorgeous Prussian blue. I want that to go in, so I pour that up higher. So I let it drip down in, and more purple. And I think I'll do one more splash of gold. So this is a dirty pour. And I'm just going to basically just take it across the canvas. So my plan, and I do have OGX in these colors too. I use OGX anti-breakage hair serum. It's coconut milk, but it's a very specific product. And dimethicone is the first ingredient. It is also in the link, in my Amazon link below the video. So let's see. I was going to balloon roll this. I don't know if I want to do that. Let me try one end here. I don't think I want to do a balloon roll. I think I'd rather blow. And I've got my little mini leaf blower. I love this little thing. It's on my Amazon link as well. The opening is a bit larger, so I put a straw in and taped it to make the air more forced into a smaller area. let some of that go off. I'm just not crazy about all that. So this is white acrylic paint in a bottle, and this is a Deco Art fine tip writer bottle. It screws onto any 2-ounce craft bottle of paint. I'm just going to see. Okay, so I think I'm done with this one. Make sure I have my edges covered. So just kind of a blowout. I'm going to pour down the center, and then I embellished it with a little bit of white line work, which may or may not sink further into the colors. We'll see how that goes. So kind of looks like a plumage a little bit, like bird plumage. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you did. And if you did, please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And if you are a subscriber and want to get notifications, click on the bell in the bottom right, and that means you'll get notifications when I post new videos. Again, in the Amazon link, I have this little mini leaf blower, and I added a straw to it. And I used this Wilton icing fondant spreader, which is fabulous for putting down a base coat pretty quickly and evenly. So I will see you on the next video. I hope y'all have been doing great. I love you all. Thanks for following my journey, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.